Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have, of course, the weekly update to Microsoft Edge, and at the same time, I wanted to also talk about the fact that you have the update for Chromium browsers. So this is now available as you can go to your Edge browser, go into the upper right three dots, go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. This brings you to version 148.0.3967.83. And basically, this fixes a few bugs, but mostly this is security updates. We did have quite a few security updates this week for the Chromium browser and Google Chrome, and they are applied to the Microsoft Edge browser. I would like to also take this opportunity to tell anyone out there using a Chromium browser that it is totally time to update their browsers to make sure that they stay safe and that, of course, hopefully things are going to work okay with all of this. So this is, of course, the Microsoft Edge update, and that happening today, the May the 21st. And of course, Chromium browsers also will be following, if not already updated, for the security updates. So there's a little security story also that is going to come up in a separate video where kind of Google goofed up a little bit in a secret security flaw. So to stay safe, it's the best practices to update your browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.